Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Shaunneka and today I'll be guiding you through a seated yoga flow, but this seated yoga flow is going to be special because it is going to be for the upper body from the waist up. You will not need any props for today's practice, but before we begin, if you are enjoying the content that I'm creating, please hit that like and subscribe. It does help with the longevity of my channel and I do appreciate it. So we will go ahead and get started in a hero's position, just as I am. You are sitting back on your heels and your toenails are pressing into the floor. And of course, if sitting like this is uncomfortable, you can place a block in between your legs and sit on the block. And from here, we're going to take a nice big inhale, draw the shoulders up towards the ears, and then down the back. From here, we're going to take the right arm up and reach. Try to find length out through the hips. Try to find length between your lower rib cage and your hip. Reach. And then exhale, switch. Reach. I'm going to do this a few more times. Reach. And reach. 2 more. And as you reach up, think about slight pressure in the fingertips on the mat. Really find that length. 1 more each side. And reach. Leaving the left fingertips reaching up towards the ceiling, you're going to take your right fingertips or your right hand and wrap it around your left wrist. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale, you're going to reach and pull to the right. And as you pull to the right, stick your left hip out to the left. Reach. Gently from here, release the left fingertips to the floor. And you're going to shift your left hips so that your left hip is now on the floor. And then reach even further. Think about gazing underneath the shoulder, the arm. Slight lean back. And very gently coming all the way back up. Sprinkle your left fingertips beside you, look to the right, and drop your chin to the floor. Feeling a nice stretch now to the left upper part of the neck. Very gently bringing your gaze back to center. Swivel your right leg out. Keep the left knee bent. From here, taking your right elbow, you're going to dig it into your right thigh, placing your right temple on your right fist, taking your left hand behind the back of your head, and open it up here. You can also let the hand hang behind your head, further increasing that side body stretch. Very gently release the hand from out behind you. Sprinkle your fingertips beside you, and then just use your right fist to push yourself all the way back up. That left side might feel a little bit tender. And we'll do that on the other side. So bending that right knee back in and finding yourself back in your hero's position. And this time taking the left hand, grabbing a hold of the right wrist. Inhale to lengthen again. And exhale to pull to the left. And as I'm pulling to the left, I'm sticking my right hip out to the right. Gently release the grip and bring the left fingertips to the floor. You're now going to sit. So you're going to really stick your hips out to the right and bring your right hip to the floor. And you're still reaching to the left. Think about opening up through the chest, gazing underneath the shoulder. Gently from here, rise all the way up. Sprinkle your right fingertips beside you. Look to the left, and then gently drop the chin. And you can walk your right fingertips as far away as you'd like. Maybe you float the fingertips off the floor, finding that sweet spot. And gently draw the chin, the head all the way back up. You're going to swing that left leg out. Keep the right foot in towards the groin. Take your left elbow and dig it into your left thigh. Left temple comes to rest on the left fist. Right arm comes up and behind the head. Or you can let the arm and the hang, or you can let the arm and the hand hang. Gently removing the hand from behind you and using that left fist to help prop your head all the way back up. So hopefully the side body and the neck is feeling nice and open. We're going to come to a simple seated cross-legged position. Bringing whichever shin in front is most comfortable for you. Taking your hands, cup them around your kneecaps. Take a nice big inhale here. And on the exhale, we're going to come down the left knee, around the center, to the right, and around. And as you come around, pull back on your knees, bring your chin to your chest, and try to separate your shoulder blades towards the back. Coming over the left knee, down the center, and back around. So making these rotations as small or as big as you'd like. And really trying to let the head go. Remembering to switch directions. And finding a neutral spine again. Nicely propped up here. Taking your hands behind the back of your head. Inhale here. Nice and tall. Gently lean back. Elbows come out wide. Inhale. And then exhale, round. So trying to bring your elbows to touch. Round in. And gentle pull down. Inhale, open back up. Lean back. And exhale, round. Two more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one, inhale. Maybe you twist a little bit. And exhale, round. We're just going to hold it here. And sway from side to side. Releasing the hands from behind the head, simply walk the hands out forward and just let the head go. Just fold in. Let's walk our hands back in, lean back, and find a tabletop position. So from your tabletop, we'll take thread the needle from here. Inhale that right arm up. And on an exhale, you're going to sweep it underneath the left arm. Right temple comes to the floor, right shoulder comes to the floor. And as you're here, try to draw that right shoulder away from the ear. Let's inhale here. Stay for the exhale. On the inhale, push into the left hand, unravel, bringing the right hand back to the mat. Bring your left hand to meet the right, set yourself back up, but we'll do that on the other side. Pressing into your right hand, inhale, the left arm comes up, reach, 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 reach. And exhale, sweep the left arm underneath the right. You might need to spider the right fingertips closer to the top of the mat, bringing the left temple to the floor. And again, draw your left shoulder away from your ear. Inhale. Stay for the exhale. Next, inhale, push into the right hand and roll the left from underneath you and find yourself back in that tabletop position. So from here, we'll be coming into a melting heart. You're going to leave your feet or your knees, exactly where they are. You can also bring the big toes to touch if that feels more comfortable. Without moving your feet, trying to keep your knees in line with your hips, you're simply going to walk your hands out forward. Inhale. And on an exhale, melt the chin and the chest to the floor. Inhale and exhale. Push into your palms. Find your tabletop. Big toes touch, knees come wide for a child's pose. On your next exhale, lift the gaze all the way forward. Come onto your belly and onto your back. Onto our backs. And your knees in towards your chest. Gently rock from side to side. take a brief twist, cactus both arms, draw the knees in, and drop both knees to the right, gaze to the left. Gaze comes back through center, knees come back in and up, drop both knees to the left, and gaze to the right. Bring the gaze back towards center, drawing your knees back in and up. Come into our double wind relieving pose. So draw your knees nice and tight towards your chest. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders. You can wrap your arms around your knees or grab onto your feet. You're going to squeeze nice and tight here for 3, 2. Do one more. Inhale. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And exhale. Release. Finding your Shavasana, you can keep the knees bent, allow the knees to knock in. Today I'm going to find a reclined butterfly. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Always remembering to leave a comment. Let the community know how you got on during today's practice. And I will see you back here again soon. Have a wonderful day.